Imagine it's the not-so-distant future, and a new spacecraft has just touched down on Mars. Not filled with astronauts, but with a fleet of autonomous rovers powered by artificial intelligence. They roll across the red landscape, scanning the horizon, collecting samples, and sending back data in real time, all without waiting for human commands. This might sound like science fiction, but the rapid progress of AI is making scenarios like these more realistic every day. If you're fascinated by how technology is reshaping our world and beyond, please take a moment to subscribe. It really helps our channel grow and keeps you in the loop for more updates on AI, space, and everything in between. In the early days of space exploration, we relied on human crews to control just about everything. But space is harsh and unforgiving, and missions can take years just to get off the ground. AI changes that by giving machines the ability to make decisions on their own, even in environments where communication with Earth is delayed or unreliable. Once deployed, these machines can navigate treacherous terrain, prioritize interesting rock formations, and even detect unexpected chemical signatures, all without having to phone home for permission. One of the biggest advantages of AI in space exploration is how it handles data. Modern telescopes and rovers generate massive amounts of information, far more than any human team can sift through quickly. AI algorithms excel at finding patterns, anomalies, or new clues, pinpointing what matters so scientists can focus their time on genuine discoveries. Imagine a swarm of satellites in Earth's orbit, each collecting data on weather patterns, ocean temperatures, and forest coverage. Thanks to AI, that information can be processed almost instantly, offering real-time insights we can act on. Now picture applying that same approach to Mars, Jupiter's moons, or even deep space. The potential to learn about new worlds and possibly find evidence of life is huge when machines can work and learn on their own. Beyond simple rovers, AI could also manage entire networks of satellites and landers, coordinating their efforts so they share resources and avoid potential collisions. As we launch more and more satellites for research and communication, traffic management becomes a real issue. Having AI monitor thousands of orbiting objects at once makes it easier to spot risks in advance, shift orbits, or schedule spacewalks for repairs. It's like an air traffic control system on steroids. Except the stakes are even higher when you're dealing with millions of dollars worth of hardware spinning around Earth at thousands of miles per hour. Humans still play a crucial role, of course. Astronauts bring creativity, adaptability, and the ability to tackle unforeseen problems in ways a machine might not. But for long missions, especially those beyond Earth's immediate neighborhood, AI can take over many day-to-day tasks. It can monitor life support systems, analyze equipment performance, and even suggest solutions when something goes wrong. That frees up astronauts to focus on scientific research or problem-solving that requires a human touch. In this sense, AI and humans form a team rather than stand in competition. Yet, as with any powerful technology, AI in space comes with challenges. Machines operating autonomously must be extremely reliable. A software glitch millions of miles away from Earth could jeopardize an entire mission. Then there's the question of ethics. If we're ever lucky enough to discover extraterrestrial life, do we trust an autonomous probe to decide how or whether to interact? And how do we ensure that AI respects potential alien ecosystems? These are big questions that scientists, ethicists, and policymakers are already starting to explore. Despite the hurdles, the promise of AI-driven space exploration is immense. Instead of sending a single rover to crawl across a fraction of a planet, we could deploy fleets of smaller robots that scatter in different directions, share findings with each other, and collectively map entire regions in a fraction of the time. We could send underwater drones to explore the hidden oceans of icy moons like Europa or Enceladus, letting AI guide them through unpredictable environments where direct human control just isn't feasible. And back on Earth, advanced machine learning can process data from these missions, accelerating our understanding of the cosmos. If you'd like to dig deeper into how AI learns and adapts to complex tasks, skills that directly tie into these futuristic missions, don't miss our previous video, The Machines That Learn, a beginner's guide to machine learning in 2025. It covers how modern AI algorithms work, which is exactly what powers these new generations of rovers, orbiters, and satellites. Thanks for watching, and here's to a future where humans and AI explore the stars together. We'll see you in the next video.